British pounds incoming.
Are you hotels?
Need мерзавчик. Swedbank card declined, telephone card declined, contactless payments declined. Need something to do. I don't know what is it.
London's downstairs flight time estimate 2 hours 25 minutes, and
Landing. Carpets. I hate carpets. Interesting. Train already came and yes, excuse me. It's a metro. Welcome to Great Britain, Sergio. Trains.
Welcome to this service for London-Liverpool Street.
Bye-bye. Here's really windy. What I really do like in England is correct English speech. It is just amazing. And what I hate carpet floors, because in my opinion it is anti-sanitary, and you're walking and underneath some cracks, I don't know. Amazing. What is the most interesting? It is my hotel.
Oh, hi, I open the gate, please open.
Okay, thank you so much. Carpets. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Carpets, carpets, carpets. People, I hate carpets. But as you understood, I'm in London. For the second time in my life, I'm here because last time we were 8 years ago with Stas and Vilnius, and I cannot say that I unlike it. It's just not my vibe. But everything changed. A lot of people, a lot of my friends already lives here and they asked me to come. So I will be here for 5 days. Perfect weather, plus 18, end of March, no clouds, sunny days. Maybe after visiting London this time, I'll be in love with carpets on the floors, because until now I hate them, because they are everywhere. In public toilets, in bathrooms, in hotels, in restaurants, I cannot understand. But let's see. Let's dive into this video and let's go something to eat. L'artista. Price in pounds. First try, really not the best one. It is the worst lentil soup I ever tasted in my life. 2 out of 10. Let's taste tomato. The same. For sure I will come back to that pizzeria. Lentil soup 2 out of 10. Salad 5 out of 10. Now going to meet my friends. It is somewhere 50 miles from here. I'm wondering why they are not reserving money from my card and not taking the money. Walking?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. We have carpets in the trains also.
Switching this train.
Блин. Why it is not operating?
Come over here. You can't use that here.
Huh? Excuse me?
Step out of the way for a second. You can't use that. Where do you check in?
Check in London.
London. Are you going back today as well?
I don't know. Hello. I came from London and gate not opened with my...
Because London is a tapping zone. This is not.
Ah, okay.
This is not.
I didn't
so
know.
You have tapped in London,
Yeah,
but you have not tapped out.
yeah.
So are you going to go back to London?
It is so tough. I left tapping zone, so I cannot close my trip. It must be closed in 2 hours. So I'm out of that zone, and if I not close it in 48 hours, I need to inform public transport company that I bought a ticket outside of tapping zone. Otherwise, they will charge me £25. It is difficult, but I understood more or less the system. Bought the ticket back and need to inform public transport. Difficult situation, but already going to meet my friend, and he will bring me to his home. So I'm disconnecting right now, and in several hours I will come back, and for you it is just a moment. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Came here by taxi, by Volvo taxi, spoke with the owner, and now I need to reach London. Ёб твою мать. Good tube. Evening, 11 p.m. I'm already near my hotel, and for sure I'm quite tired. What is interesting, I haven't seen a lot of London today, but I really do like it for now. It changed. Maybe I changed. We'll see tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, but I think everything changes. So it is the right place to finish my first episode. If you like what I'm doing, share, comment, subscribe, like my videos, and see you in the next episode very, very soon. Stay tuned and bye-bye. And I'm going to sleep.